Hello my besties, there's Brady. In this unboxing video, we will be taking a look at the Everlast boxing stand right there and boxing punching bag right here. So this set is perfect for Brady, who is looking to enhance his boxing skills and get a great workout at home. There you go. Here you go, besties. So join us as we open the package, okay? Actually, it's already open. Assemble the stand and check out the quality and features of the punching bag right there. So let's get started. Let's go. Which one? Let me see. Let's put everything here, son. Let me see. Let's put everything like this. Hold on. Let me see how to do this. Let me see the picture. So we know. Whew, this is hard, huh? And so like this. Oh, it looks like this. Ah. Okay. So let's do this.
Where am I gonna put it?
Let's do this like this. Come. Hey, mama. So give me all the like this, baby. Here's the manual right here. Just have to assemble. Let me see, baby. So this one. It should be up. This one, up. This one, baby, rock. That one, right? This one, baby. What the heck? Is it hard? Oh my goodie, what is that? Okay, hold on, baby. Hold on. Oh, Jesus.
I don't have enough space.
Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. This one, baby. Look at me. Hold on. This one has the hole, right? That one is this one. Oh. Okay, hold on. Okay, go, baby. Go. Oh my God, this is really hard. So this goes here. That side, and this goes. Look at this, bestie. So, see that? That goes right here. Okay, so that's done. Right, so. Whew, this is hard. Oh my God. OMG. Look, besties, look. I'll show you. My goodness, look at that. Look, besties. See that? That's a lot. Okay. I think we will be here for like 3 hours. We'll see. Kula sisi. Alright, that one. Oh my goodie. Oh, I will see. We will see. That one is for that. I think that one, right? Like this. Let me see. I think it's for here. I think. I'm not sure. Let's try that. And this one is another. Toes. Look at this toes. This look. Oh, see? That's a lot. I'd rather assemble an easel than this. It looks very hard. Complicated, I should say. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's hard. What is this one? This goes Another one for this one. Okay, that's for that. And ay kabayo. And then, hold on, let me see. That. Okay. That one. Up. Goes up. And I see. So this goes right here.
You know how to do it?
Yeah.
How?
Like this.
Where am I gonna put it? Here?
Yeah. Hold on.
Here?
I'm just looking if it's. I think it's like this, right? Because boxing is like that, and then it goes like this. Yep. Okay, ready? You need to. Okay, this one goes right here, baby. Hey, wait, come. Okay, don't touch, huh?
Where am I
Hold,
gonna
hold.
What do I do?
Come on. We're gonna. Okay, so that's that. Okay, help mama now. You give me. Hold on. Okay. Let me see. That one. Let's do this one. No. It's okay. It's okay. That's why that one will not fall. Okay. Help mama. Come on. Baby, come. It's this one. Oh, I see. Cola CC. Okay. I see Cola CC. Alright. This one. Okay. This one good, eh?
What's this? What's this for?
Hold on. No, that's for later. This goes here. Okay. Come on. Help mama. If I got this, you need to. Brady, look at mama. Brady.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Hold on. Focus here.
I am with you.
Okay, this one, baby. This one. Okay, we do this, right? Okay, you don't remove that yet. Okay,
So
so.
many screws.
Yeah, look at the drawing.
Uh-huh.
So this one is this. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to assemble this. Hold on, baby. Okay, you see. Mama, come. This is a lot. Okay, so this one goes that one. Like this. Goes this way. See that one? That should be. Hold on. And that goes there. Alright. This one goes here. So. Oh, I see. Okay, so this one, baby. This big one's right here. No.
Where the big ones go?
Yeah, here.
Oh, you don't have a screwdriver.
I have.
Do you need one?
Huh? Yeah, let's open this. We need to.
That's where I'm gonna put it, right here in the front.
Huh?
I'm gonna put
Yeah,
it.
just right here.
But the bag swings back.
But we need this. Look. See the drawing right there?
Yeah.
The screw. Ekabayo. We have to like do this nut. Oh, see? See that one? Oh, hold on. Which one is this? This one. Hold on. There are pieces there too. What is the see? 15. It says 15. That one, right? Oh, this one here. Let me see. really like that. I think it's this one. It's this one.
Why is there only one of this? What is this for? Look.
15, hold on. 15. Wait a minute. This one, I think. Okay, let's do this. Okay, baby, come. Up here.
Too much stuff.
Yeah, it's really like that. Okay. Like that. Okay, good. Let me see. If we do that right,
Oops.
okay, so it's like this, baby. Look, it's easy now. We put this, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Look, see?
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yup. And then one more like that. And then, screwdriver this. Oh, yeah. Okay, hold this one, baby. Hold this one.
Hold like this?
Hold this one. No. With this. So make it tight. Okay, this one, right?
With that?
Okay, hold this one for mama.
You want me to do it?
Oh, yeah.
What do I do?
Hold it like that, okay? Just like that.
Mm-hmm.
Hold it. Don't move. I need to...
It's gonna be a long time.
Huh?
It's gonna take a long time.
No.
Like my house.
It takes time to assemble. Okay, don't move, huh?
Come on.
We have to make sure it's tight. Make sure
like
it's...
Korea's table.
My table, kuya?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Kind of like that. But this one, we really need to tighten it. Because that one is 50 pounds right there. The punching bag?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, hold it. 2 hands, baby. Two hands. No, this one. Put it down, that one. Yeah. You got it now? Let me see, baby. Let me see.
So it's straight.
See that one?
Yeah.
Should be
How about the other one?
synchronized like that. Oh.
Good?
Put it down and this one put it up. See that one?
Good.
No, not yet.
Other one now?
Hold on. You don't wanna, when you box it will fly, you do like that. Then you will say, see you Stanley, be free.
Head?
Fly away Stanley, be free. Oh, see Brady? Almost, baby boy. That's why when you buy a used one, that's why it's expensive, because it's so hard to assemble these ones. But not really.
Yeah, it is.
No, if I can assemble it, they can assemble it.
You can?
Yes, they can. Absolutely. They can.
Now this one, look.
Hold on. Okay. Another one is here. You have to put this first. Okay.
Another one.
Yeah. See that one?
We're all for this part.
That's another one. That's another one. Have to put this one, Brady. Look. See that one? No.
Mm-hmm. Oh, no. You're supposed to put that on there. That.
That's right, I'm not done yet.
Uh-oh. We did it wrong.
No.
You're supposed to put that.
What?
That one. No, I think that's the next one after. Okay, here.
This one. Oh, this is a lot of job. Worky. A lot of worky. Oh my gosh, buddy. Okay, we need this one now. This one now. Ready. Okay, so this one, look, pretty boy.
Yeah.
Look. See that one?
Yeah.
Hey, mama.
You know? Let me hold it. Here. Let me hold it.
Hold on.
Because you let me hold it last time and it was easy.
Just be careful because it wants to go somewhere. See? It needs to go right there.
Maybe you did it wrong.
Huh?
Is it wrong?
Huh?
Maybe you're supposed to twist it the other way.
No, it's correct. It's just that it's really hard to like.
I should have bought a used one. Should have got a used one.
I don't want the used one because they're expensive and then they're very rude. I'd rather buy this. It's okay. Once it's assembled, then you will thank me later.
In 2 hours.
Nah, yeah. No pain, no glory, Brady. Okay, Brady. Help mama now. Like daddy's here. You know, daddy's strong.
Yesterday.
Oh, he was really tired. Oh, almost, baby. Almost.
Good?
Whew, hold on. Not done yet. Look, let me put this one, baby. Hold on, baby. Wow, let's put this one. See, it
Let me
turns.
Let me hold it.
Okay, hold on.
It took a long time.
Huh?
It took so long.
It's really like that, huh? Boxing takes a lot of patience, baby. It doesn't happen overnight.
Which one?
When you box, want to be successful, you know.
Well, I'm not talking about boxing. I'm talking about the stand.
It's the same thing.
It's not. This is assembly.
Nah,
It's
it's
different.
the same thing.
No.
If you don't have patience to assemble this, then how can it be done? You know what I'm saying? How can it be done, right?
I'm not the one doing it.
I know, that's why I'm telling you, patience is a virtue. Virtue. Okay. Oh, I saw a lot of like they build another warehouse. It's done already. They have a new one again. Brady.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Look,
I'm good.
you need to help me.
I asked you if you want me to hold it. You don't.
Yeah, you need to
Let me do
hold
it then.
it.
Let me do it.
Hold it. Hold on.
Is it still not loose?
Let me see. That's why I'm
Really
trying to.
loose. What's after that? What
This
I?
is like a balloony.
Why?
Oh, careful with that. Careful so we don't hurt the other one. I think that one is okay. That's this one. Ate Grace. Hello, Mommy, Daddy. I know they're watching right now. Okay. Woo.
Watching.
Yep. When they
Yeah,
play the
post-
video, they're
yeah,
gonna
post-
watch. So I know they're watching. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Now next, baby boy. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, give me that now. That one.
That one?
No.
Why not this one?
Oh, not that's the last one. We need to put this stand first. We need to put the stand. Oh, that one. That's careful. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Don't twist.
I hold it.
Hold it. Okay, hold it. Stand up and hold. Okay, cause
Just
this
walk
one.
inside.
Oh, stand up and look. Another foot head.
If you're old.
Another.
Look.
Oh, I'm old.
No.
Like that. Okay, baby up. Good. Baby boy, look. Baby boy blue, look at this. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We need to remove the plastic. Okay? Remove the plastic so you can hold it real tight and then just put it up. Let me see the drawing. Let me see. Like that straight, okay? Let me see. Straight and then go. Why it shows that it's like this? Like that. Is it really like that?
I don't know.
Let me see. Look. Like that? Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm not gonna complain, okay? Just gonna do this.
I think it's the other one. Huh?
No?
How do you know?
Look at the drawing, oh! Oh yeah, it's right. Look, baby. Look at baby boy, see? Alright, same thing like that. Okay, good. Hold it. Kabayo ka na plug. You hold that or it's gonna hit my head. Then mama will die.
Oh, come on.
Look at Brady, Brady, bring water again. Do that. You will have scratch. Lots of big scratches. You won't like that later. Alright. Okay, baby. You'll be serious now. Like that.
I'm serious.
Okay, hold it. I'm not kidding. You need to hold it. No! What are you doing, Brady? Makulit ka. Makulit si Brady, oh. How can you box if you're makulit? You need to be mama. That's the virtue. Being a successful boxer, you need to listen to mama. Mama knows best! Whether you like it or not. Okay? Wait a minute. Wait a moment. Oh my god, where is it? Where's the frickin' bot? Okay. That one, Brady. Put that one. Put this one. Cola CC. Oh yeah. You know what? This one I think is not really tight. So, Cola CC. Kuya Brady. There. Kuya Brady.
You did the other one already?
Oh yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I'm not done yet. I just put that there so you won't hit my head.
I'm not great.
I don't hit my noggin. You don't push like that. Hold it.
I'm not pushing.
It won't look.
Because you're making me
good.
stand up. I have to go down.
Okay, sit down. All right. Thank you, baby boy blue. Thank you. This is my baby boy blue. Thank you. Other people, if they assemble, they fart. Because it's so hard. So much stress. The fart. Stress. So stressed. Oh my goodness. Are you okay? Wait a minute, baby, wait a minute. I smoke over here. You have room, okay? Like that. Okay. And then you help me assemble the couch.
Huh?
The couch.
That one?
Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah?
I
That.
sound like it.
Oh no. Oh no
I'm happy
no.
with
This is unboxing with Brady. This is Brady's channel actually. The besties. Okay, let's move over here, Brady. Let's move over here. Because it's not. Brady.
Oh yeah, I don't have space to put this.
Okay, just move over here, baby. You slide your butts.
There was space yesterday.
Huh? Your space yesterday.
No.
This is better. What is your gloves? Upstairs? Oh, good thing you picked the white color. You don't like red?
There was not red.
Oh, there was no red?
No.
Oh, man.
Not in 1910s.
Oh, well, they gave you a reward. Rewards, you know. Well, if you buy again over there, they will give you discount.
I will, Mom, I will.
I think you need boxing shoes.
Why do I need that? I don't even go.
You have a robe without shorts. What the? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun.
You know?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Calm down
Loose.
your nerves.
Why do you keep on doing that one? Those are good.
I'm trying to.
Look. They're
Yeah,
good.
is it?
It's these ones.
Oh
Those are
yeah, I
loose.
know
Take
that.
them
I
out.
know that. I know.
Put it on
Try
the
to
back.
exit, baby. I'm trying to exit. How did Manny Pacquiao learn how to box? How did he practice?
I don't know.
During the early days, you know. Maybe he was punching a banana tree. Banana tree or coconut. Coconut! What is? Okay, excuse me. 25 like this you said, right? How many more? How many more to go? You count? Assignment, baby, huh? Okay. Assignment, huh? Look. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'm definitely looking at it.
Ah. It's really hard, baby. Like my noggin is hard. My brain is hard. Rising up. Walk on the streets. Huh? Ay, kabayo. Okay, baby boy. Put it up. Let me see.
Still loose. Are you sure you
It's
did it the right
loose.
way? I feel like you did it wrong.
Oh yeah, really? Look at the drawing, baby boy.
Which one?
Look at the drawing, baby
Uh-huh.
boy. Yes. See that? That's right. Don't worry.
No, it looks like it's turned this way, but this way.
What? No. This is the back. Look at the drawing. Straight. Bend.
Then the bag would get touched here.
No, look at the drawing. Oh. It's like because this one will go like this. Oh, look. Look.
I'm looking here.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness, baby. It's right.
Okay, okay. Alright.
God.
Hold on.
If it's not right, then it's wrong. Okay. I help Mama now, cause this one is really making me wanna sleep.
Okay.
No, I'm bored.
Same, Mama.
It gets bored. Whoo! Hot! Ow, that hurts. That hurts, baby boy. I think this one is kinda tight. No, let me see, baby boy. Let me see. This one shouldn't move. Just like that. Okay. Ooh, hard. Okay. Let me see, baby. Let me see, baby. This kind of loose, huh?
Who knows?
Huh?
Maybe I told you did it wrong.
I did it wrong.
You know what? Look.
That's right.
Look at the video. Okay.
Look at that
Because
doing.
it goes here, right? This one on the top.
Yeah. You don't believe Mama, eh?
I don't know. It just looks weird.
Well, if it's wrong, then we'll just.
Whoa!
I will just sell it.
Broke it.
I'm just kidding. I'm gonna sell this. It's for you, man. Let me see. Why it moves? It moves like a jogger.
Did you do the wrong screws?
What?
The wrong screws.
Why would I do that? It's right, oh, there's no more. Oh, there's two screws. Yeah. Same ones. Hold on, baby boy, hold on. Set it like that.
I'm bored.
You do it then. I'm bored.
That's even more.
Cause it's really hard.
Mama.
Hey, you sleep. Go to sleep. I'll hook you up when it's done. Okay? What?
Look.
This way. You're laughing at me, huh? You, huh? Hey, baby boy, huh? Shut up, Brady. Not bad at all. Don't make a mess, baby.
I'm not.
It's hard to clean.
What's this one for?
Just throw that in the toilet.
What's that one for? Maybe it's just like this.
No, it's.
It won't
for
break. It'll just be like wiggly. The bag will hold it down anyways.
This one?
Yeah. The bag is like 50 pounds.
Oh yeah, there you go. There you go, baby boy. Good thing we didn't get the biggest one there. Huh?
Which one?
What, the bag?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let me see. That should work now. Should. How about that? Okay.
Is that you did?
Ah,
This the one?
which one?
What you did?
Well, I did. What you mean?
That.
Hold on. Which one? Ay. Brady, come on.
Just put me this in front. Okay, what?
You need to
What's
remove
that?
this one.
Okay, I'll help you watch this. Ready?
No, 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 no. Oh, careful with that, careful. You need to, hold on. Hold on.
Just get scissors.
Excuse me. Yes, I am, hold on. I have a scissor here, I don't know where it went. Oh, here. You throw it in the trash, baby boy. Baby boy. Okay, that's not baby boy. Oh, here. Careful. Okay, throw it now in the... That's not. Oh, we don't make a mess. Oh, baby.
Throw it? Where?
In the trash, right there. Oh. Yeah. Throw it on. Everything on.
I need to go back.
Okay, go.
Throw this
Go.
where?
It's okay. Let's go.
Where?
In the trash. Hold this one.
Come on.
Knock off.
Uh-oh. Forgot my
Here, baby boy.
bun.
Uh-huh.
Bun.
The what?
Bun.
Okay.
Bun soup.
Baby.
Yeah. Bun soup. Bun soup.
Knock off.
Bun soup.
Ah. Whew. Tired. Okay. Let me see. What? Okay, what's the scissor? Here too, baby.
Alright.
Yeah, this one. This one just
Here.
throw it, baby. Here. Throw it on.
Which one?
This one. Knock off.
You?
Yeah, this one.
I think you have to put something here first. Look. Look.
Yeah. We have to put the other one, baby. Okay. Okay, but throw this one real quick because it's really. Yeah, knock off. Baby. Knock off. So it's clean, so I can see the screws. Careful. Watch your feet.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Whew, my goodie. My goodie. Now this one, my bestie, see? Whew. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, my besties. Oh yeah.
What the heck? Ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna fall.
It's not gonna fall.
It's just.
Well, I
What's
need
this?
that one, baby. I need that one. Please.
Okay. To open it. Give me your scissors.
What?
Give me your scissors. Oh, we got one first, huh?
Sorry. Okay, give me that. That's this one, baby. Come.
Here, please.
Yeah, come here.
Excuse me.
I got it. So when I got that,
Just throw that. After this.
yeah, just throw that, baby. Baby.
But I put this one.
No.
Put this one.
Oh, later. This one first. This one first, baby. Come on.
Shouldn't I move that here real quick?
No.
Is it heavy?
Baby. Just wait. Put that back, baby, here. So we can turn that remote. No. The box. Yeah. Oh. Okay. And then just put it,
Over here? Back here?
no, over there, baby. You carry? Okay. Yeah, that. Okay, so this one is easy now. Almost done, baby. Okay. Okay. Okay, baby, come on. Hold this one. Let me look at the. This one, hold this one.
How's this gonna
Two
reach?
hands, baby.
How's this gonna reach there?
Hold on. Just. It will reach. Okay. Just hold it.
I am.
Okay.
You want me to step on it real quick?
No, hold on.
Soup.
Okay, just like that.
Smart.
Just hold it like that. Two hands, baby. You're tired now?
Yeah.
Put it up.
What does that mean?
Straight, baby. Straight. Not check.
What does that mean?
Just like that.
On soup.
Huh?
On soup.
Just like that, baby. Because
What does
this one is not yet attached. So just this one. Let's focus here.
What does that mean? On soup.
Huh?
On soup.
Bansok? It means midget. What's bansok?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Okay. Don't touch this one. Here. This one here. Baby, not that. This one. Focus here, baby. Straight, baby. No.
I can't go straight anymore. Look.
Okay, just like that. Just hold it.
Dang, it's broken. I mean, it's. Look.
It's just like that. We'll tighten that up later. Okay, let me see. This one.
Look, come here. Sit.
Ready to.
Heavy?
Yeah. Put this. This one.
Why, you want to finish it tomorrow?
Huh?
You want to finish it tomorrow?
No, it's okay. Where is 14? Oh, this one. Where is that? Honey, careful with the mirror, huh?
Yeah. Can you help anything? No?
That's okay.
Mm.
Huh?
Good.
Tapos, this one. There you go, my besties. It's done. Woo! It's done, 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 done. There you go, besties. Oh. All right, besties. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Comment below. Share and subscribe. Alright. We will see y'all later. Love you.
Why are you recording?
Careful, careful.